Xiaomin Simi Intelligent Technology Company Limited is located in Jiamai District, Xiamen City, and has a production workshop of 6,000 square meters and more than 60 professional employees. After years of careful construction, the company has established a complete production process and rich production technology. At present, the company is equipped with 10 advanced CNC gantry machining equipment, which can manufacture large parts up to 12 meters in length, and also has 30 precision machining equipment to meet various precision machining needs. The company focuses on quality management, has established a complete quality control process, and is equipped with precision testing equipment to ensure that every product can be delivered to customers on time, with quality and in quantity. At present, our customers are spread all over Europe, America and the Middle East, in the fields of construction, large-scale mechanical equipment, large molds, electromechanical products, and precision optical products. With excellent product quality and professional services, the company has successfully served hundreds of enterprises worldwide and has received widespread praise. We are looking forward to cooperating with customers from all over the world to jointly explore the market and create more value.